Let me get started. Yo, Junior, see you in the building.
Yo,
What time? Who y'all play today?
uh, Houston.
Without CJ?
Yeah, and we're without a bunch of our starters, offense and defense.
What's his name still out?
Yeah,
Hunter?
he's out for another 3 weeks, I think. We put him
He
on a 4-game IR.
he didn't get injured in Colorado like that. It's like what the hell?
Nah, this was
And he
a
was playing both sides of the ball. Shit.
yeah, this was a non-contact injury.
Shit. This is Gold weekly chart. One thing I like about Gold, it gave a weekly swing. And it gave a inside week, Junior. Inside week,
Side
come
Jello.
outside. Come outside.
Yes, sir.
Nice volume amounts up here. You can go up into inside week. So I'm looking at one thing I've been looking at too about this gold is like it's been consolidating for a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 days in the same area. We've already taken out this daily gap up here. One thing I will say, one thing for certain, two things for sure. Either we're gonna manipulate down a little bit more before going higher, or we gonna push up inside this daily gap this week.
Let me see
This
that
probably
4 hour.
you said what, E?
Let me see that 4 hour.
Raggedy. That 4 hour raggedy.
Yeah. Nah, that ain't right. Okay. Okay, cool.
But also I'm looking at weekly low was taken 2 weeks ago.
Going up.
4 hour. 4 hour lowest down closed candle. Closure here. I'm looking up.
It's going up.
But the problem is like it's been having your ass in the blender all week.
That's why I got my head blown off this week.
Yeah, have you in the blender.
Yeah. Okay, that's what institution getting in there. Yeah.
Yeah, they cooking down
He got
here.
ass all up through though.
So for me, my daily, market off my high and low.
You get a nice little candle, come up and give you a gap. Watch.
Right.
Start working his way back up.
Let me make sure I got it correctly. See, 4 hours nothing. Only thing you got on 4 hour is you got if you're looking at this for a 4 hour
Tricky.
move, we got this gap. Oh, we got this gap down here.
The fact that that wick went back up over that swing to the left. Go down to 15 minutes. Let's go
I
down.
got
See when we see something.
you. Let's look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, nothing.
See, I don't
See,
like that.
see look, hey, there's a did the 1 hour go into that gap? Yeah. Yep.
Squeeze it. Uh, that was last week. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's ugly. Uh, Yeah, I don't know. Based off that.
15, 15 minutes. Jeez. See, and yo, this is one thing I like about doing now. It's like prior to 9:30, I'm looking like whereas let me look for a 15-minute gap. And if I can't find it on a 15 minute, then I just go one up higher. 1 hour. It came inside that 1 hour gap at 9:30. It took out pretty high.
Posing liquidity, you know.
Yeah.
I can run all that shit to the bottom if it wanted to. Uh,
So she's 4 hour. Uh, you're in the blender right now.
you know,
I don't even touch it.
yeah, yeah, I agree. You might want to sit on your hands for a little bit without.
Yep, at least 9:30. At
All right,
least 9:30, or see what the overnight do.
maybe the landscape might be a little different by the more.
Exactly. 45, 47. Let's look at silver. Silver also get your inside week. But silver didn't come down as far as gold did.
That don't look. What that look like, boy. No, that look. Know what that look like?
Lower. Yeah. Yep. Uh-huh. I just looking like, okay, came into this daily gap right here. Pushed up. We ain't seen nothing up here yet. Pretty high. How the 4 hour look? 4 hour. He's in a blender, man. But also it got a great higher time frame TFA. Weekly lows taken. 4 hour bullet shift. It shifted down here. But you ain't run nothing. To me, this,
Yeah, I'll
this
be
is
marking off that liquidity right there. You know,
yeah, right here. This gap right here. This would be a target.
that's the target. You know.
Gate the TFA here. Gate a closure. Came back, pushed up, retraced higher. Didn't run nothing because ain't no gaps over here.
Then what you want to do?
Yeah.
What you want to put this one out here for the target on the downside? Is that
You, s- you said what?
I say you want to put that as a downside target? Like,
I don't
is
think
that
it's
a
going
gap?
down.
No, I'm
I
just
think
saying.
it needs to get. Oh yeah.
That's what liquidity is. It's either there or there.
Right. Yeah. I just think that it pushed up the initial move, ran these short term highs, came all the way back, filled in this gap,
Right?
went up, retrace higher, retrace. I think this is it.
Yeah,
This is
I
the
agree.
target.
I agree.
Yeah, I think this is the target right here.
I agree.
But to get there, it's gonna take you through it.
All right. It's like she's just chipping away to try to get back up, though, basically.
Right. But I'm bullish. I'm bullish overall. Look at the weekly. He's just throwing wicks down here. Nobody's bullish. Let's look at Jordan's favorite one. Old Faithful. With the American flag on it. Nah. uh, Jordan Old Faithful. Man, this shit trash, man. How do I look from a monthly perspective? Man. Let me look at the other one, the hoe. Let's look at the hoe. Okay. Hoe moving. What RB? Trash. Trash. Let's go to the big three. Yeah, I do off the regular chart. So that's a swing point. It's a swing point. Swing point. I look for it daily. See, man, Friday did a lot of damage, man. It's like, ooh, you threw that wick down there. You grab all this. As my dog E would say, hey, put a fib on that. That's 62. What's 0.5 at? Yo, E, man. What's my motto? Weekly low red, right?
Mhm.
And then a 4 hour shift. Ooh, wee.
Mhm. Just need a
Remember last
refresh.
time Wyoming was the first one to get there.
Yep. Oh,
That's
you're right.
that. Wyoming was the last one to get there. Last time Wyoming was the first one to get there.
We talked about this. The next 4 hour counter gonna be
Yeah,
crucial.
be crucial. That's a 4 hour TFA right there.
Leave a gap. See what happens.
Leave a gas, see what happens. Yeah. I'm looking here. I'm looking. If I'm looking, I'm looking right here in this gap. Cause I'm looking at where it fell, high to low. This discount. Hey man, I always say it, but man, Friday was a legendary day, man. So that's all I'm gonna say. Friday was a legendary day, man. I know I got the question from Hannah and a couple more people. It's like, what's the difference between Thursday and Friday? Friday sold off 9:30, sold off. Lunchtime, it came back inside the range. Thursday. What did Friday do? We just sold off more into lunchtime. Push up a little bit, came right back. So it wasn't like we pushed all the way up here 50% of the range. We didn't even do that at all. The good old faithful 1250 macro. Man. When I say legendary, that motherfucker was legendary, man.
So,
Woo. Okay.
so you can probably get a little bit of, like I said, let's
I'll
say,
be honest.
let's say this
I
is
would I would be surprised if Asian tonight opened up here.
it might give you
Just look
like
at
this,
the
right back.
no, no. New week over there gap style.
Oh, you talking about just going?
Just go. I wouldn't be surprised if it did that. Because look at how strong this candle is on a higher time frame. It's a 4 hour candle. That's all body. It grabbed all that liquidity. If we target something, we target up here, in my opinion. Hey, and as you would say, E, hey man, throw it, throw a fib on that 4 hour. $62. Line up right with 0.5. Ooh, E. We gonna see. We gonna see. Yeah, Z. Okay, grab my. Okay. Grab my Doug to the white meat on that weekly. See, ain't no more gaps at all down here.
Think I may want to color in that volume imbalance right there.
Right here.
Yeah, that's what I was
I'm looking
looking at
at
on YM too.
look at the wicked left. See, for me, man, that wick is up. It's like
Yeah, I'm gonna be nimble this week.
Friday, hey man. And for me, the way it ended and like if you watch from like 12:50 1 o'clock to the close, it was pushing all gas, no brakes, man.
Yeah, it retraced over 30% of the weekly candle.
Yep.
So I don't know. I can't make heads or tails of it. I was trying to look at it yesterday,
But
and I
also,
could.
Like I said, 6 to 10 gonna tell everything I need to know.
we got step two, E. Ain't that your lowest down lows candle?
What we hit on the weekly.
Check out weekly lows. Previous week low.
Yeah. Okay.
Previous week low. 4 hour. 4 hour shift.
Just leave a gap.
Woo,
Eh,
TFA.
Just leave that damn
4 hour.
gap. Leave a gap. So
That's step two.
So the 15-minute chart give you what you need. You gonna buy it up?
Woo.
just,
But
just
I'm
leave
looking
the grocery.
for if for me personally, if I'm doing that way, I would want to see a down candle into that 4 hour gap
That's what I'm saying.
because that's gonna be the low.
Right. That's
If
what I'm saying. That's the retrace.
that's the retrace. Once that retrace flip, man.
And then, like I said, let's say 6 to 10, and you get a candle. Then you get another candle for 10 to 2. You know what I mean? Yeah. And London might be your low.
And then I'm looking,
It could be a classic buy day.
yeah, and that's 680. That's 680 because this is where liquidity at. I'm looking up here. What's that on SPX? Let's see. What about SPX chart? Okay.
Why you skip the gap
I'm
before
just
that?
say why he just say damn that gap.
You're right.
He did that on YM too. I'm like,
Yeah,
you
Lee.
gonna acknowledge it?
Because I'm looking at this whole range
You gotta give it
because
respect though, bro. Like,
I'm looking at this whole range.
because they can do this. It can go up there, right? Okay, let's say you do this. Let's say we get the scenario that we want. Then let's say we go up. We might hit that and do that and then go back up. You know what I mean?
I'm,
You gotta acknowledge that gap.
I'm looking at that whole range now, man.
You just gonna blow through it. Fuck that gap.
I look at that whole range because I'm looking like if we
So
flip here,
what you doing, a 2-year leap?
oh no, oh no, because if we flip here, let's say okay, this is for educational purposes only. Let's say tonight, 6 o'clock to 10 o'clock, it does this. If we come back, see, but also this, hey, you know how this market do. It do this. See, I don't want it to do this. Then come back because I'm like, fuck, man. Then I want to set up over here. If we set up over here, if it does this, push up to this 4 hour gap, come back down and settle and flip, man, 680.
That's it.
680.
Might well,
680.
you might well say you hit that top in 2 weeks.
Right. Right. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. That's all I was saying.
Now they stall us out 2 weeks in the past 2 weeks to come down. So yeah, it'll be a nice Christmas rally.
Yeah.
For that, because that'll be the 0.5. It'll be trying to
Yeah.
get to the 0.5.
Let me throw my fibs on that. I already know how my dog E gonna be looking. Ooh, 7,000, 7,100 settings. November 9th, end of the year.
You think it's gonna get there by the end of the year?
Let me put you into the year. I just put January.
January normally a calm month.
Yeah, but they can they can run that thing to like
Run that thing.
I've seen it, bro. I've seen it.
SPX option chart.
You know what? Hold on, let me check something. I want to see something.
Let me see. Let's say December 31st. What's that? What's that strike? What's up here?
You got to go into your settings and add more.
Yeah, gotta add more.
January. I ain't taking December 31st. I'll take January straight.
7120. 7120.
Check's all right, quick. Got a hunch. Let me go to
$25. But if you're getting the money, that fucking thing is scream. Because you buying it down here. You talking about let's see. Yeah. What's okay? What's in the money right now? Where we at? 6750. Let's look at 6750. 6750. So that'd be $25 to 166. 6x. 6x. But a small account. Let me see. That's 710. 710 SPY. December 31st, 710. Oh, see, that ain't bad. $2.60. $260. And the money right now at 67.53. Right now. So that's 260 to ooh, that's 9x. Yeah, that's enough. 1857 divided by $2.60. What's it? 7x. 7x. Ain't that enough, E?
Hold on a second. Let me change something. How we get to 0.5? What 0.5? Shit. Okay, whatever.
That boy E doing his calculations.
Okay, hold up. Let me see something. Let's see.
I ain't going to January, man. It is a because if
Hold
it
on,
flip,
hold on. I want to see something.
if it flip it.
I want to see something. How much percent that is?
So from here to the target is only 6%.
Right. That's why I'm measuring something right now, comparing the percent. Let's see. From here to there. And what my that is? That's March. That's February, January. Okay, January 4th.
Man, you might as well go December 31st, man. Come on, man.
But I just ran another 14%. God damn.
Right, man. Come on, man.
Nah, so what I did, I went and looked at the pandemic year.
Okay.
And I went to go to the go to 2020 on the weekly.
I got you. Yes.
Because I've been saying this year is very similar to 2020.
Weekly.
Uh-huh. But you
Gotcha.
want in the last retrace, like before, like October, November area. Uh,
Pandemic 2020. So you got
right up
in,
and down. Yeah, right up. All
in
right.
October.
Now, just run it from. All right, run your field from that to 0.5. No, the next one. Do the next one.
Oh, oh,
The
oh,
left one.
you
The left way.
talking about
Right.
this.
Yeah, because that's your retrace, and then your 0.5 extension, right? And then where did it stop at? When it hit it?
Shit.
Where were we in when it hit it? The 0.5, like early January, mid January.
Yep.
Okay, all right. Now take your measuring tool
And go here to today. To
and
this
run.
week.
No, nah, man. You see, you move too fast, man. Take the
No,
measuring.
I was doing this right here.
Yeah, but I want you to run the measuring tool from that movement on that 0.5 from that retrace
What you
to the
mean?
to the 0.5 from the
So from
bottom of
here,
it. No, the next one,
here,
right to the 0.5. What week that was? Run it up. No, no. Hold up. Take your
Right
take.
here, right?
Yeah, start do the fib again. Same way we just did it. Okay.
Okay.
Now take your measuring tool and go from this low up
Oh,
until that 0.5.
I got you.
That'll show you how much percent move that was.
15%.
That's what I was looking at.
I'm just looking
Now
at
I compare that to that down move and up move. 0.5. Now run your fib from there. You run your measure tool from there up to the 0.5. Just to the 0.5, man. See, you doing too
it's
much.
at 15. It's at 15%.
Right.
That's only
That's
that's only seven.
7. Okay.
Seven and
That's
a
what I want
half.
to see. That's what I want to see.
But if we do the 15, 15 is hide your kids, hide your wife.
Yeah, I put you in like February though. Probably maybe in
Right.
February somewhere with that. And boy, that retrace. Like I told you, remember 2021, around about mid-January, going into February, that's when that GameStop shit happened. The meme stock started running, and then they
Oh yeah,
snatched all the
definitely.
damn. They gave them a reason to snatch all the money out of tech real quick. Remember when we got killed on that, man. That's why I lost $80,000.
All I'm saying is, man, I'm bullish now.
Okay.
All I'm looking for was that YM and ES gave me the 4 hour TFA step two. Bullish. Now let's look at our baby. Quisha. Let me shit off. Well, my end of the year target. Take all this off.
See, her gap was way up there. The daily gap.
Yep. Ain't no gaps at all down here. It's like weekly. Yeah, weekly gap down here that ain't filled yet. 136. But this is what I'm waiting for, man. I wanna see NQ close it. One thing I learned from Jordan is he like for them all to be doing the same thing. So if you're looking at this, he will want to see NQ close this, get a closure above here. Then now they all three of them running in sync.
But what if it's just going up into that SIB to come back lower?
I wouldn't personally be looking at that because if it closed this, I got two I got two levels of I have two things that's telling me that it's going up. Weekly low taking, 4 hour bullish CID. For me to be looking lower, I would need a weekly overall, like I was looking at before when we had all-time highs taken. So that's a weekly level. Then a 4 hour shift. And then I wasn't looking, and one thing I was waiting for this candle. This is one thing I pride myself on doing a lot now. I'm not gonna be looking higher time frame bullish or until I get that closure. When we did this Wednesday and didn't get that closure right here and fell back, hey, I said, hey,
So I
it's still
guess
bearish.
what Andy's saying, what happened if we do that same damn thing again right there,
Right. Could what if you're
right,
bearish?
right there, and
You
then
got closure right here, and it just come up into this gap and then go lower.
I wouldn't personally be looking for a bearish move if it does that. And that's me personally. I'm looking at all that liquidity it took all week. If I'm looking at this from a sell model, we sold all the way down. We took this is a sell model complete. A sell model turns into a buy model. Because you're right. If they need more, then it's coming down here.
saying
Then this
because this could be sell model complete down here too.
right.
But that's why I was saying this gap gonna tell everything. We get a gap right here, we at least going from that point. We at least going up here.
Yep.
But we need that bullish gap. But you
Need
don't
that
want to
gap.
go. You don't want to go all the way up there and then hit that and then try to come
Hell
back.
no. Hell no.
You don't want that. So turn around. Give me 1, 2, 3, baby, come back to me
Right.
on the right side, like we normally do. And I would like for to close that gap, make it a little smaller.
So Jordan, you looking down here?
Potentially, because I don't know for the 2022 model. I don't see where there's a shift on a higher time frame to keep going higher. There was something on the daily, but we just came back. Can you go back to the daily?
No problem.
See what I'm saying? If that was the shift to go higher and we just came back into the gap, I wouldn't want this OB to get violated, and it just went past it. So it makes me feel like if it's not going to come down there, then at least it's going to try to fill in there's a volume imbalance right here. So it might try to color that in. But only one way to
What would
find out.
invalidate what would invalidate that for you to go to be looking higher?
What would invalidate it from going higher?
Because right now you looking lower. What does the market need to show you that we going higher? Okay.
On this daily chart, it would have to give me another well, because if I'm doing a body inside of a body, I mean this technically could still be the whole order block. Like these two candles are inside of this one right here.
Right.
So yeah, I don't know. I mean from a daily chart, it's hard
That's why I
to
said
say
4 hour. I'm leaning on that 4 hour
even
instead.
a four. That's still hard. Like on a 4 hour, like to show me that it's ready to go up on a 4 hour, I would need it to come up here. Shift. That's the market structure shift right there.
I just need
That,
that.
that that's the intermediate high.
Well, if I get that gap, if I get the gap down, the bullish gap down here, I see price going up there. That's how you get up there,
Yeah, that's how it gets up there. But
right?
to confirm that we're
Oh
that
yeah,
we're outside on the right side of the buy model, it would have to come up here
right.
for
So that's
me.
why I'm more so day to day
Oh,
versus
I'm always day to day.
you know overall. Like
Every day a new day, basically.
When I wake up in the morning, I look at the chart. I'm going from there.
Hey, man. Yeah, it's tough. And they pretty much took all our liquidity or our volatility out of the market this week. Coming up, ain't no CPI or PPI. Is the market open on Tuesday for Veterans Day?
Yeah, they don't care about veterans, man.
Okay. What's a 15 look like? Or what's a 1 hour look like? Let's see. I don't know, man. See, 1 hour, if I was looking at it, it would just have to get above this one right here. That green up close candle, which is a lot lower than a 4 hour, which I had it like right there on the four. Yeah, that could be a problem right there.
I see smooth
Wait, what
action.
is it? What is
So
it? The daily, the 1 hour, and the 5 minute?
that's how I see that. In my
Yeah.
Yeah, cause imagine if it shoots up right here, takes that, you already got a gap right here,
right.
and then you just wait on another 5 minute setup right here, and
Yeah.
we outside.
Yeah.
That could be a good TFA.
Hey, hold on, y'all, 1 second. Trump called me, man. Hold on.
He
Hey, yo,
called you
Trump,
back.
man.
He called you back from last week. That's when you
Hey,
called him.
yeah, I'm about to. He about to rush me that 2,000, man. So I got added to my options account. Hey, yo, Trump, man. It's 13 of us on Zoom and 25 on YouTube. We need that 2,000, man. This week, man. Hey, yo, you want yours in Bitcoin or cash? He's like,
Hmm? Bitcoin and cash. Ain't never bought
no,
Bitcoin.
no. Trump said, do you want your 2,000 in Bitcoin or cash?
Oh man, straight cash, homie. You can play with my damn coin.
Also, I hit I dropped that thing in Telegram. Trump is proposing new 50-year mortgages for young people. I called E about this yesterday. A lot of people in rural up in rural about it. But you have to understand the logic of what he's doing. He is telling you the game without telling you the game. Some people on Twitter and they're like, oh no, I never do a 50-year mortgage. It'll only be an extra. I gotta pay an extra. I mean, I pay less $200 a month. But you gotta understand, this man is what he's doing. Next year, Jerome Powell will not be in charge no more. So, what's the best way to get you to get a 50-year loan? E,
Drop the rate.
drop the rates. It's a game. It's a game he playing because he know that ain't nobody gonna get a 50-year mortgage at 7 to 8% what it is now. Now, if you get a 50-year mortgage at 3 to 4%, now it becomes you more enticed to get that loan.
So he
So
he the new Fannie Mae Freddie Mac.
Yeah.
yeah,
But
yeah.
bro, that's a life sentence, bro. You get a 50-year mortgage.
But like I was telling boy, like if you just pay a little extra, you can offset them 15 years, them 20 years.
All right, bro.
That should sound good.
Yeah. Well, I mean, if you get
Tigers don't change their stripes, bro. They ain't gonna pay no little extra. That little
Hell
extra
no.
finna go for gold teeth, rims.
well, hey man, that's on them, man.
It's always on them, bro.
I can't do nothing about that. It
It's
ain't
always
just
on them.
it ain't just gold teeth and rims that pull that stunt.
Nah, now it's the
It's
moissanite chains.
charcuterie boys pull that stunt too.
Finna get the moissanite chains on them.
Come around looking like Jalen Hurts.
See,
Right.
and the thing is, you gotta play the game just like he playing the game. So I'm trying to look at. I asked my personal assistant when interest rates go down, which dividends and stocks go up. Because if interest rates go down, they go up. You make money. You gotta play the game just like they play the game. Nancy Pelosi ain't getting in office making $175,000 a year and retire making and retire with over $150 million for nothing. It's a game.
So what options are good when the interest rates go down?
Uh,
To my
those are
REITs,
REITs. REITs, real
REI,
good. Yep.
Huh?
REITs, REIT.
Oh. But does the market normally responds like whenever FOMC press conference come out, and let's say that they had a interest rate drop, that means the market on future side is going up though, right?
Yep.
Yeah, okay.
Boy, ask your favorite assistant what's the interest and how much more you'll pay over the life of a 50-year mortgage. I would add, yeah, 50-year mortgage. Yeah, it's crazy, but if you get a 50-year mortgage at half of what the interest rate is now, it will entice people to do it. Not no 50-year mortgage at what we're paying now, 7-8%, because that's only you only saving $150 $200. But now if I cut that interest rate from 7% to 4 3%,
Man, listen, man. Damn all that. You got people out there doing that with the cars. Remember, it used to be
yeah,
5
yeah, you're right. Yeah, they're right. Yeah, you're right.
5 years on the car. Now it's 7, 8. Shit.
10.
You know what I mean? Same thing. They're just kicking the can down the road. Same shit.
So you making money in this market? You getting a 50-year mortgage?
Hell no, I'm not.
You gonna buy it cash?
Hell
No,
no, I'm not.
I'm getting a mortgage in the business name.
Hell
Where it's
no, I'm
tax
not.
free both ways. I'm playing the white man game.
Man, I'm cash flow quadrant. Nah, I wouldn't buy it straight out. They don't buy it straight out.
Nope, they get a loan in the business name
And bar
and
against that shit.
the borrower gets it.
Yeah. That's how they play the game.
But I'm
They look,
saying, so
they look
okay,
at the opportunity cost of that
you
money
get
that they paid out.
you get the house in the business name, so it's not financial advice. But I'm sure you're gonna get an office in there to justify this house being in the business name.
Yeah, and I'm gonna have monthly meetings where
You
FW comes to the thing
At,
where I write that all too.
at the house.
said you gonna have who?
Monthly meetings at the house.
Mm-hmm.
Oh
Man,
yeah,
you ain't finna have us over at your house, bro.
allegedly,
I know
allegedly.
you lying,
Yeah,
dog.
hey man, you had them at the house. Well, man,
I know you lying, bro. You finna have us out there at the public park.
you doing
Within a certain rate,
videos
he
from
gonna talk to
doing videos from the house.
his CPA and his people. Hey, what if I have the meeting like within a certain parameter? Like he'll have a community, and his community will have like a little park. He'll have us over there. He ain't gonna bring us to the actual house though.
So as long as you're on the property at the mother-in-law suite.
Right, as long as he inside the community gate. We good.
See, it's just so wild. It's like once, like I say, this isn't financial advice. This is educational purposes only. Like once you start making money, it's a lot of ways to disperse it, just like they do it all the time.
That's
All
why I
right,
always
so
like
back to my serious question though. So you borrow against
bingo.
your your capital in your market account. You get the house. Are you using that money that you loan from your markets to then get a mortgage, or you gonna use that loan money to pay for that house in full?
Say, ask that one more time.
All right. So you're not gonna use your own cash. You're gonna borrow money to get a house, right?
Okay.
Okay. So once you got that loan money, are you then gonna buy the house outright with the loan money? Or are you still gonna try to get a mortgage with that loan money?
Mortgage for loan money because it's
It,
all tax deferred.
it depends. You know,
What's the benefit of not paying it off early? Like, cause you still got to pay interest, so you're paying more money than just buying the house.
well, it depends on what the money that you would have. It depends on what you're doing with the money that you would have paid the house off with. Like, what are you doing with that money? Is that money making more money?
Right.
And then the difference of that is what you put towards it. You know what I mean? In my opinion, because that go back to opportunity because what we talk about all the time. That money you just okay, house costs 3 mil. I take this whole 3 mil and go buy the house. Now the house mine, but you got a house, but then you still got property taxes that come and all that stuff. You know what I mean? So the $3 million that you paid, you could have been putting that into a vehicle that you would have made more money off that 3 mil. So
Right.
that 3 mil then turned into a liability. It's the that expense. That was a liability expense, not an asset.
Well, where are financial people at, boy? It says a lot of financial people in this group. Where y'all at?
Let me see.
I would free that money up to go do to make more money. Go put in the leap.
I ain't gonna say their no name because I know we on YouTube, but hey, boy, this person who just posted a comment on the Zoom at 12:18. That's
That's
that's one of the finance people.
make it. I'm not sure. I know. Hold on.
I said I wasn't gonna
God
say
damn.
the name. He just going to say the name.
That ain't her government name. That ain't her government name.
What?
Oh
Shit.
my god!
Hey man. Hey. She
Boy,
did
they
on
gonna give me
YouTube
food. They gonna
and
bring it over to
everything.
him and at the table. Oh yeah.
Right,
You
right,
want something to eat? Yeah, yeah.
right. But I like what that person just said though. I like what they said. But I
Put it
think
like
that's
that.
in line with what you were saying, bro. Like the
Yeah,
money that you take out, if you do get the mortgage, what are you gonna do with the extra money?
right. You you
That makes
you you would
sense.
allot the money or you set that money aside and put it in something like she says that'll give you higher yield, and then you pay that with that to the
Like
mortgage
the CD,
difference.
like the CD that gets what 4% dividends back or something like that.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah,
basically, paying for itself.
right.
But also I'll ask you this, Anthony. Do you want the safe dividend route or the risky? See, you risky. You Florida boy is risky because it's some safe routes you can do where you might get 1 to 2% a month, or you want to go the 10 to 15 route. How you want to
No,
roll?
no,
How
no.
you want to roll that?
No, if I do a CD and I don't know, let's say I put 40 mil in a CD. I want the one that's guaranteed 3 to 4%.
Okay, so you want the slow route.
Yeah.
What?
I mean, what's 3% on 40 million?
Some million, some point, some million.
1.2.
You know what I'm
Oh, no.
saying? Come on,
Yeah.
bro.
Yeah.
That pays back whatever I'm supposed to pay back on the loan and
And now,
property taxes for the house. So everything paying for itself at that point.
right, it's working
CJ
on.
said, I need 15 and up. Hey, that's how CJ think. He said, I need the 15. I need the 15% a month.
Damn.
Well, that
Damn.
sound like what's his name? The one who the Ponzi scheme motherfucker.
Oh, no, no, no. It's a lot of them that will give you that.
I think
Those are weekly dividends. They give you that per month about 15%. But do you want to go that route? And like I asked somebody who in the financial field, I said, those weekly, I said, since they've been out, has any of those ever went to zero? She said no. I said, okay. Okay. That's all you gotta tell me. That's all you gotta tell me.
ain't about going to zero, but be your luck.
Right.
You get in it, and that's when it not go to zero, but damn, cut it in half. You know what I mean?
Right.
Like, especially if they talking about transitioning from the gold over to Bitcoin. It's gonna be some tomfoolery up in there now.
Oh no, they got the Bitcoin ones too. Yeah.
So I'm
Hey.
paying 115% weekly?
Yeah.
Man, hey, I'm
Let me
good.
tell you something, man. Like,
I'm good. I just flip my options account and, I go to
well, us
that three
Florida
to four
boys, we say
percent,
we're
bro.
risky, but
No, no,
I would get hella conservative on that issue.
no.
Yeah,
These
yeah.
right here.
Ain't no need to run that hard. You know what I mean?
Right.
You got other shit you can run hard. That can be conservative.
Pause. Yeah. These trust these options these things right here, they pay weekly,
That's getting ready to bottom out soon.
right?
But look at it. This somewhere down here, the institution gonna come in there. Just that last step. Somewhere down here, then you go just like this. Watch.
And
Yeah.
the thing is, these pay out weekly. Oh, she said they do, and the back end is the U.S. Treasury bonds that cause a push. Yeah, because I was looking at see they got me here to this one ULTY. It's another one, and I asked, hey, you know,
These
boy,
aren't
hold on.
these aren't the basic CDs though, right?
Nope,
Nah, this is what you told me I think last
yeah,
week or 2 weeks ago.
yeah,
Dividend. Some years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
and hold on, I'll tell you exactly what I asked old girl. Let me see, where is that? Where is it? Here you go. Go back, scroll back. I asked her, where is that? This is a ULTY. It's right now it's 457 a share. I asked her, I said, if I put $100,000 into this, so if I do 100,000, I'm buying 100,000 at $4.57. About 457. I'm getting 21,881 shares. And it pays a weekly dividend of 0.09 a share on average every week.
That's 9 cents.
Yeah.
Okay.
So every week, 881 times 9, I'm getting 1,962 $1,969 a week.
What would you do with that?
But just look at it from this perspective. I know some people say, but boy, it can go down even lower. That's
No, no,
cool.
no. I'm asking you, what would you do with that money?
You could offset your W-2 with that.
Or you can turn around and buy more.
Exactly. But let's say a whole year, you're looking at $102,000 in dividend money.
I just buy more shares, you get more dividend.
Right. And the thing is, and people say, but boy, it go all the way down here. Yeah, but you still gonna keep this number. And the thing is, after a whole year, you already recouped your whole money in dividend money. After a whole year, you got $102,000. You didn't recoup all your money. Now, let's just look at it like this. That was 100 grand. Let's say you put $1 million in there. Divided by $4.57
And you said that was a monthly or weekly dividend?
weekly.
Okay.
That's 218,000 shares.
That's a meal?
Yes, $1 million.
Okay. No, I'm saying it's off a meal. Okay.
And that's $19,693 a week.
Times 52.
Right.
What that come out to?
1 million. 1,024,036.
So after a year, it pays for itself.
Exactly.
And that's if you do nothing with it. If you turn around and buy more, then
But
you
but E, peep this. Peep this. After a year, you done made your money. But guess what? You still got the shares. You still got this after a year.
Well, that's what I'm saying. What happens if you go another year or just reinvest it right back into it instead of touching it?
But
Right,
peep this.
but you paying back the loan money. That first year you done paid back the loan money plus you got an extra 24K in your pocket.
Yeah.
Then like you saying,
Yeah, that's true.
you let the dividends reinvest into the account, then that number right there damn near doubles.
Yep.
Peep this. You got this one. It's a whole list of them you can invest in. You got a Bitcoin one that pay you out weekly. AMD one got to pay you out weekly. It's a lot of them. It's a whole list. You can diversify your portfolio. You can literally make your whatever you make at your job, you can make it here. But this is the more aggressive route. Like, and looking at the conservative route, the 2 to 3% a year.
Yeah, because that's a basic CD in a bank. You don't have to put no thought into it.
Right.
It's a good money option though. I tell you that.
Hey, it's a very good one, man.
Tell you what, boy, I'm scared of them taxes, dog. All this money, man.
Totally fine.
Huh?
Just get real benevolent.
Right. Start giving.
Man, spell benevolent. I'll get there.
BENEVOLENT. Don't play with me, man. You talking to the spelling bee champ player.
See, you got a AMD one. Let's see. Yeah, AMD got one. Tesla got one. Yeah, they all got them. They all got them. NVIDIA got one. Bitcoin
Speaking of
got one.
AMD, you seen that drop AMD had this week?
Retrace. Just a retrace.
That's a mean void it left in that chart.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Well, one thing I do know about AMD, she don't like to leave no voids. She don't like to leave them, but I don't know if we there yet.
Yeah, but you gonna let it come back in there and just buy more?
Oh, yep.
'Cause technically, it already took all-time high.
Yep. She ain't hit my 0.5 yet. I ain't going nowhere. That's why I got to 27. I'm good.
That boy just sit.
Hey, man, we buy more.
Your 0.5 is
314, I think, something like
yeah,
that.
yeah, 314.
I'm just trying to get to 300.
Yeah.
You see all the prices starting to keep getting raised all of a sudden. Yeah, all right. Oh, now y'all think different. It's a game. All this shit a game.
Yes, a game.
All this shit is a game.
Hey man, but them weekly dividends, man, that's a game changer, man. It's like, man, you can get your walk away is real close
If
if
you
you put
just
your
lock in and
futures
get,
money in.
just lock in and get to 100 grand, yeah, this might be all right.
Man.
Maybe like 200-300 grand. Yeah,
That's your walk away because two to 300 grand to get you
get you about four to
four
six
to four to
grand.
5,000 a week.
Right.
That's
And
your
that's just
making
sitting
money
there.
while you sleep move right there.
Yeah. Four to 5 grand a week.
You don't even have to think about the charts. You ain't gotta trade once a week to maintain your
Yeah,
live account. You just move your money over there.
Yeah.
Sure.
then you
Play
get
options when you feel like it.
real bougie on the charts. If it don't do this ain't telling shit.
Hey,
Right.
hey, yo, and for somebody like me, I was looking at like put it because in my kids account I can buy those, so that could be their weekly allowance, and I ain't got to pay it. The market pay it,
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so you take their money and buy more shares,
right?
and then the returns. You can get them allowance and buy more shares.
Exactly.
You just cut it in half.
Oh shit. CJ said they got Spy QQQ Gold ones too. Let me see. Got Spy too. Let me see. SP. What? Yeah. Oh, no, that's
I guess that's how they keep the thing liquid.
yeah. I know some people say, but boy, ain't this going down? Yeah. Ain't worry about that, man. I asked somebody specifically. I said, had they ever went to zero? She said no. I said, okay. That's all you gotta tell me. That's all you gotta tell me.
But from an option side, that means it's going higher, right? Because it's showing down right now. Or am I
Yeah,
looking at this the wrong way?
yeah. And also I know some people say, but boy, somebody bought up here at $54. Yeah. But up here at $54, the dividends was more.
They're getting way more on the dividend, the payout.
Exactly. See people always look see. This is why I love these conversations and seeing this shit, man, because you start to think a lot differently, man. Somebody's like, oh, but boy, up here it feels $54. Yeah, but they might have been paying out a 8 to 10, 15% return. But down here, they only paying out 3 to 4 a week. But it's costing you only $24 a share.
Boy, you could go to the website and it'll show you like the whole year of the
Oh
weekly.
shit. But there you go right there. Hey, that's the dividend man right there. Let's see. Which one, CJ, the finance one or the roundup?
Um, it don't matter either one. You could go to do round here.
You said which one?
Right.
Round Round hill. Do that one.
I got you. Share.
That they got that new one called WePay. That's the weekly one too. I think it's a combination of all the like individual stocks.
Yeah, you got Palantir. This is Hood. This is Gold, Nvidia, Gold. How much Palantir pay? Damn. 120% of Palantir weekly performance. Hey, CJ, how can you see how much they pay per week? Here you go, distribution.
Yeah, distribution. Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah, so that was 80 cents on
hey,
Friday.
last week, yeah, last week it paid you 80 cents per share. God damn. 68 cent, 90 cent, $1. Okay.
It fluctuates.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
See, and also it's like you look at it, the different companies. This is just straight Palantir. Like for somebody like you, let me see, AMD.
No, I need to be diversified. Got enough over there now.
Damn, it's paying $1. $1. Damn. Okay. That's because it's moving. Jeez. Okay.
I'm 36.
God damn. Okay.
That's why I think my partner got that. That's the year one.
Yeah.
Yeah, he got that. He bought shares.
Right. And it pay y'all weekly dividend. God damn.
He got a lot over there too.
Hey yo, CJ, when you buy them, do they ask you how you want to move the weekly dividend money back into the company or a payout? Do they ask you?
Yeah, I think that just depends on your brokerage, I think. Because you can do like straight to cash, or you could do the drip.
Do we got a little
Okay.
percent thing? You can like a little slide on. You can put the percent.
What you mean?
Like, okay, you get X amount of dollars. They want to say, okay, how much you want to get paid out of? And you could like,
I think it depends on like your brokerage. I don't know about that.
okay,
Yeah, I really don't do individual. I just do like the whole fund, like QQQ and
right.
spot.
I mean, I understand that because it's a
Bitcoin
little bit
one.
more safe.
We ain't about safe, man. Okay, here go Teslas. Here go Tesla. See what they giving out. 50 cent, 43 cent. Because you can, man, this is the infant stage of this because you can park some, yeah, you can park some major money into these.
I'll put a video in the in the chat, man. There's a dude, man. He making like 68, 70,000 a month.
Oh yeah.
And he probably got like, I think he got like 1.2 or something like part 70, 80 grand a month.
He
Yeah,
gotta
yeah.
work. He
Nah,
gotta work.
he retired. He ain't doing nothing.
He gotta work.
Hey, you know how you said you like the ones that's more safe, like QQQ and stuff like that? Do they have one for Vanguard?
No, so these is like Round Hill and like Yield Max. These are like private, like I think like private like equity funds. So basically all these stocks and stuff, they just doing like cover calls on them. So that's how they able to like to pay out like the dividends
Okay,
to the people you just own.
gotcha. Mm-hmm.
All
That makes
these
sense.
all these are just
Oh,
cover
they
calls.
selling it.
Yeah, they selling cover calls. Yep.
Selling couple calls.
Okay,
So instead of you doing the cover calls, they doing it for you and they
They're
just
doing
paying
it
you.
for you and give you the bread.
And that's how they can pay you.
gotcha.
Oh, they taking your money and going to buy the couple calls with it.
Yeah,
Right. They doing the work for you. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
that's what's up.
Just the cost of doing business, like y'all said.
Right.
Like you say, 1.2 million, you get 70,000 a month, and you just sitting and you just collecting it every week.
Like you say, your mailbox money. You like that?
Mailbox money.
I ain't never met him.
And then if you look at it like this, okay, you get 70 grand a month.
There you go.
Oh yeah. Hey, you
There
know
you
me,
go.
man. You know me, man.
Miss
My
Chicago.
my AP told me 35, 35, 30.
What's them pots?
I got you.
Savings, taxes, and what's the third?
Uncle Sam.
I said taxes. Damn, you gonna get sale twice?
Oh no, yourself.
Okay. So that's discretional income.
Right.
I got you.
And Uncle Sam get 21,000. Pay yourself, you, yeah, I think the Uncle Sam and your savings every month. And your trading is extra. You would shit, the market ain't doing that, man. I can chill. I got 24/5 coming at the end of the month. No shit. I've had 24/5 divided by 4. I got $6,125 on Friday coming.
I want to take profit doing the same thing.
Come on, man. Come on, man. Come
Come on,
on, man.
dude. You got that thing set up the way you got bread coming in anyway. I mean, that's good due diligence.
Especially when you got people in a live account making over $1 million.
Mm-hmm.
And you getting a hundred grand on that million, and you ain't doing nothing.
You know what I'm saying? Take profit, copying trades. Like most of them prop firms do.
Man, I don't think so, man. I think, and I say I think it's too risky, man, because okay, if they copied it, okay, you got 5. They might be copying. They might be adding an extra account, but I don't think they added the 5 on top of that. So you got 5 live. You trading. They might add one account to that.
Right,
Yeah.
right. All they gotta do is copy one of your accounts
Right.
with whatever leverage they feel like doing,
Mm-hmm.
and they're gonna be making money.
Yeah.
And then if you make money, they still getting 10% of that.
Right.
Yep.
10 or 20, which that might be the 10 or
Nah,
20.
in the live they get 10%, bro.
Okay.
Yep.
So that might be the 10% that they putting up in the first damn place. You know what I'm saying?
I'm saying, dog.
The same money that they putting that same money up as risk.
Like there's a reason why them people who make a lot of money in the market become hedge fund managers.
Yes, sir.
They got it set up where
Hey,
they damn near can't lose.
Hey,
Right.
and I'll say this also. It might be a little comfort. It might be a little. Uh,
Yeah, just say the shit, man.
what's the word? What's the word? What's the
Don't
word?
worry about it. Just go and say it. We'll figure it out.
It it's a reason that a lot of people who make a lot of money don't don't show it and don't talk about it. It's a reason.
Yeah, it's called the mob, the mafia.
Yeah.
They're
Oh,
gonna start kidnapping your family.
kick though.
It-
That's what it's called in Atlanta.
Though, right?
like even like seeing that dude Lanto make that 1.5 million in 3 days. And like he got so much hate from people like, well, it ain't real. It's like damn, man.
People can't wrap their head around that themselves.
Right, man.
They inherently put their fears on you
Right. And like it ain't real. He ain't getting it. He took all these trades. It's like the nigga made 1.5 million in 3 days from the confines of his house.
because if it's real in their mind, if they admit that it's real, then it shows their shortcomings. See what I'm saying? That's all mental.
Yeah, it's
Psychological.
violent. It's
That's
like
that's the definition of hate.
it ain't real. He ain't showing to us and all. It's like
Because if I allow it to say, okay, damn, that really did happen, he did that. Now it's like, well, what the hell I'm doing? But I'm not ready to deal with what the hell I'm doing. So I'm gonna just stay
right,
on his shit. You see what I'm saying? Like that's when people have to look at the mirror and they don't like the reflection.
right.
That's what that's all about, bro.
Like, and for me personally, like it means nothing because and I've always told y'all this. It means nothing for me to show you where I enter and where I exit. It means nothing. And this is one thing that I loved about Friday Zoom when Randy got on and asking the question while it's happening. You learn more from that than me showing my paper. You learn more because me showing you where I enter and where I exit that doesn't help you. And I want you guys to understand that that helps nobody. If E gets on here and shows paper and like and show he enter here, exit here, that's not going to help you. It's not going to help you. But really
That helps.
understanding,
It do
no, it
help.
don't.
It
No, it
don't it
don't.
don't help as much, but it
It
helps
don't.
to see where somebody can understand the logic. Because that's how the hell I was watching your goddamn paper. How you think I got to that point? I was watching your paper. You
But
know what I
also
mean?
answering the questions, and that's why I like what Ray did. She asked asking the questions live. Hey, yo, Jordan, why you said ABC down here, but I see this is ABC also. Asking those questions, then now you get that aha moment, like
Well, that's what
aha,
I'm
now
saying.
I
That's the
understand.
logic behind it.
Yeah,
You understand me? That's more that you get more from that than just seeing it. But you
yeah,
can get stuff from seeing it. But that provides color.
right, right.
And that's the part that I always see. The color. Why? Why are you
Why?
doing it that way? Why is it that way? You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Explain that to me so then I can understand that and compartmentalize it in my brain. You know what I mean?
And one thing Jordan do, and it was funny too. You're like, yo, E man, you say you're looking at what? Which one? Which candle? Exactly which candle? Hey, one thing about Jordan, hey, when E on here, he gonna make that man explain
Yeah,
himself
they're
to the.
gonna improve it.
He
And I
gonna make
don't have
that
no
man
problem with that.
improve.
I don't have no problem with that. That's how we roll. We've been rolling
Yeah.
like that since day one.
Hey, Ralph. Yep. I was that same way. Yep. And he said when I see people paper, I spiral. Yeah. I don't want to see a paper. I want to know why. What was your logic behind getting into that position? What was going through your mind? Like
That's what I'm
I
saying.
would hit
See in the
Jordan,
paper, you put the connotations. Okay, price came down into the left. It hit this liquidity, which in turn, when it hit this liquidity, it flipped on the right side. It's during the macro, and then it made a gap. Then it came back to the gap, and this the target up above. Like you can get all of that from just the paper.
bro. Hey, like in the chat Friday, like man, I ain't got no problem. Hey, I hit Jordan up. I hit EL, hit a couple more. I ask questions all day long, and like with me, when I dropped that chart Friday, I wanted to know Jordan's exact mindset on that 5 minute because like I knew it, but I know somebody in the back like, damn, why did Jordan get into 5 and not the 15?
Right.
But
That's what I say. So sometimes we ask questions. We might know the answer, but I ask questions so he can answer it.
yeah,
For the person that's in the back that may not know how to ask the question or might be thinking the same thing and just might not, might not have be scared to ask the question. But I don't even know why. I don't understand why people are afraid to ask questions in this group. We've been in this group for 3-4 years now.
too long.
I talk to y'all more than I talk to my kinfolk. You know what I mean? I'm not afraid of nobody in this group. I'm afraid of not knowing what people in this group know. That's what keeps me up at night. You gotta ask the questions back.
Like I told y'all, we have 6, 7, 8, 9 figure traders in here who don't mind helping you, and not gonna charge you a dime.
Yeah, you ask Brock. And conversation rule the nation.
Yeah, you told me that I can learn from somebody that's making 6, 7, 8, 9 figures in a day in this market, man. Hey, bro, sis, what y'all know that I don't know? Like when I first started, I never envisioned somebody making 6, 7, 8, 9 figures in a day. In a day. In a day in this market. I never envisioned that. I I thought those numbers was numbers you see on CNBC. This hedge fund made 6, 7, 8, 9 figures in a day. But to see somebody that look like us, talk like us, walk like us, make that kind of money, and then who don't mind coming and sharing the information with us, man, shit.
That's why he said, man, well, how big you can dream. It ain't big enough. It ain't big enough, man.
Like, like not like 8 figures, 7 figures. It's not looking like when I see like that's $1 million. That's that's 10 million. That's 100. I said, shit. That means that the next step from that is a
Well,
billionaire.
you know how your mind think. You scaling in there.
Right, man.
Your scaling ass mind.
Hey,
Well, if you
hey,
stop
man.
at that, then if that means you
Right. I'm
can
looking
do this,
like
give it give me a pen. Give me a pen.
I'm looking like shit. Hey, they really did the Boyd math. All the time, boy, they put the numbers on the thing. That person there really did the Boyd math. The Boyd math.
Well, they say
But then,
the ceiling will become the floor.
yeah, you're right.
Just
I'm
gotta
looking.
believe in yourself, man. Believe in yourself. Start there.
No, 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 no. I, I agree, but this is what you gotta. This is what I want people to also understand. To get to the 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th levels, your trading plan has to be so solid. Can't no man knock you over. I'll say it again. To get to the 6, 7, 8, 9 figure, your trading plan has to be so rock solid that nobody tells you.
You gotta go that far to get the fold. You gotta. That's why I say you gotta believe in yourself first. Believe that you got the juice to do it, and then get your plan together.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Man,
Hey man,
the mental is so mental, bro.
when I when I hit Jordan up and I said, yeah, I'm gonna take 50% and then I'm gonna go to 150% on the first one, then take that, then cut that. Hey, so why you cutting it in half? And no, then level 2 it was like taking 25%. Like why you do that much? I said these motherfuckers think differently, man. Like, man, you cut the brick too many times, man. Don't cut the brick, man. I said, damn.
Nah, man, you cutting it down to like 5%. Like, nah, it's time to go now, man. This thing finna go full throttle.
Hey, man. Hey, man. Hey, talking to Jory, man. This motherfucker, hey, he open your eyes for what's. It's like, man, you cut the brick like, shh. Hey, because I had it like, okay, the first 6, 50% risk. Then the next 10, 25%.
Yeah, you
Then
going the wrong way.
he said, man, you cut that bitch too many times, man. Man, you cut that bitch too many times, man.
That re-rock, man. That's what that is. He's stepping on the step, though.
Jeez. Hey, because Friday, man, Friday was legendary, man. Friday skip levels, man. Friday was my first 10x in an option trade. And the thing is, I only take it to the 930 gap.
Right.
I took it to
You ain't even asked to do nothing that hadn't done. Just go back where the heck you came from.
see, and like if you listen to what we talk about on Zoom on Friday, ICT has told us this over and over and over again. 70% of the time, we are going to at least come back 50% of the RTH gap. So if that's in your mind and we flip, what's your target? RTH gap, 50%. So for me, from now on,
Wait till it get way up there and then want to buy it.
right,
To the business.
right.
Is that because one, that's when it's the cheapest, and two, you gonna get the most from it.
See, they did something. See, for the disciplined trader, 0 DTE is a game changer. Because if you know with high conviction where it's going to go and the way options move,
0
Friday
BTC plus ICT.
like Miss Carol, she was in the SPX. That thing went 50 cents to $20. I think it's 50 cents to $40.
Wow.
Yeah.
So that's $50 to 4,000.
Yeah.
Wow.
I was at the 606 QQQ.
Right.
And like I put it in the chat, and I wasn't lying. If you got into any position, it 10x. It 10x your money. But every day isn't the same. It was certain things.
Yeah, the conditions were met to do that move.
Right.
Don't expect that every week.
Whoa. I will say this. You will see at minimum 2 or 3 500% moves every week. Every week.
Yeah. You probably can see them every day.
Hey, man. At least 2.
I don't want to say that, but I think you can see that every day. If it just really depends on when you get in it.
Ask yourself this: if you do 2 trades and make 500%, that's all you need. Now you divide your winnings 50%, do it again, 500%. Take the total, divide that 50%, do it again.
Because on average, like what is like 50 to 60 points is an X, something like that.
Yeah. But let's say you take 2 options trade a week, just 2. And on those 2, and okay, we're gonna be conservative. Let's say on those 2,
you just get 100.
No, hell no. You can get more. Let's say
You said
250.
conservative. Well,
250. Let's say 250. Let's say 250. Annotate. Okay. You do it two. Let's say 250%. So that's 500% of the week. In a whole month, that's 2,000% return on your money. Let's say $100. That's 2,100. Month two, that's 44,100. Month three, you had $1,000,000 down there. $926,100. Month four, you had down there 19.5 million. See, but for me personally, the mental from here to here, it's hard, man. This is hard.
which one? Which?
926,000 to 19.5 million.
No, I disagree.
That mental,
I
man.
disagree, bro.
Ah,
I, like all right. So you done made enough money to satisfy your everyday stuff and all that already. So I guess that's when we always come back to this. Just go and pull a little bit of that out to solidify that part of your life, and then now it's easy to let that shit ride, right? Instead of putting the whole thing in there every time.
okay, I got a question. Nah, okay, $1 million. How much you risking in the next trade?
How much I got?
$1 million.
I mean, okay. Do I got money aside from this million, or is just this million?
Just this million.
Okay, I would take out 30%.
Okay, so the next trade is 300,000, right?
No. I'll take 30% out. The 70
Oh, okay.
let ride.
Okay, so 700K.
Yeah,
Okay, so how much in the next trade?
700K.
Ooh. Hey, yo, Jordan, what about you?
Say it again. What's going on?
Okay, so he
So you
made
got
his
$1 million
million.
to your name. You ain't got no other
I
money.
got how much?
$1 million
$1 million.
to your
1
name.
million to my name.
Mm-hmm.
And what's
He
going on?
he paid himself 300,000.
Mm-hmm.
Now he got 700,000.
Mm-hmm.
How much would you risk in the next trade?
Half.
These niggas is different, man. These niggas is different. Hey, these niggas different. Hey,
Different, man.
y'all niggas
You
is
got
different.
but my thing is like what led you to the million?
Oh, $100.
All right. But how did you go from 100 to a million? Like were you taking the same setup every time to go from 100 to a million?
Yeah.
So why all of a sudden are you gonna lose money because you're taking the same trade that led 100 to a million? It's the same trade. The only thing that changes is the number.
That's the key. That's the
So,
key.
It's just a number at this point. It's just a
That's the
number.
number.
Because I'm sure
Jordan,
a lot of us dreamed of making $1 million a year in whatever salary corporate position we were studying in college for. Now we could do it in what, 2 maybe 3 months, depending on how you want to strategize it. or your availability to trade when there's a lot of volatility in the market.
So, Jordan, you doing half. He doing a whole 700,000 to trade.
I'm
Yeah,
secure with the three.
everybody's different, bro.
That's wild. Okay.
Ain't no
To
wild
me, half
about it,
is
man.
good. To me,
Yep.
half is good because I know that no matter what happens, let's just say I decide to do something uncharacteristic on that first half, I still got another half in the back.
Yeah.
I don't have to worry about that. It's 350. And if I lose the first half, then I'm gonna break that 350 down to 50. So
Okay.
then I got 300 left. You know what I'm saying? So it's a
Are you
way
always
that
doing half?
not always, but if the scenario is a million, 300,000 covers everything that I need for the year, and I got 700 left, yeah, I'm going half.
Gotcha. Gotcha. If it's FOMC in the minutes, are you going half of the whole 700?
I'm going the whole thing, bro. You know that. Not on the minute. On the press conference, yeah,
Right.
it's the whole thing. It's
Gotcha.
the whole thing.
Major bag alert.
Gotcha.
Like I'm saying, man, you got me, man. That's when you got it. That's like you say, you got to know when to hold them, when to fold them. You know what I'm saying? You got to know when to put some chips out on the table. But you ain't. It's that you're not gambling because this is something that you do all the time. Like you got the strategy, you got the technique, you got the back testing, you got the data. It's calculated risk. It's not gambling.
Can someone explain how much should one start with doing options?
That was my question.
I would say like
Correct.
no, you got to no.
I said
Uh,
right.
you can do 200. You can do $200.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, you can.
You can do that, but
It's like
I
No,
put
no.
I put I put personally, I put 5,000 in there, and the first trade I took was 1,000 on the table. If you
I would
don't
say
feel comfortable doing that, then if you feel comfortable only putting $100 on the table, then you should at least have $1,000 to fall back on. So that means when you put 100 on the
chances.
trade, you got 900 left.
or whatever you started with, the money gone. See, this is how I look at it. Whatever you start your options account with, that money's gone. So whatever money you can afford to lose.
Yeah, but I mean, if you because when you put the money in your options account, sometimes depending on your brokerage, you got to wait like 2 to 3 business days for that money clears.
Tell me about it,
Wire
Charles.
So
down
then,
to the
so
wire.
then, while you waiting for, if your brokerage allows you to put in $100 minimum, and you satisfy that minimum number, you got to wait 2 to 3 days. So if you lose it because you still not confident in your setup or you thought wrong, whatever the situation was, now you got to wait an extra 2 to 3 days to put more money in that options account.
Well, these option trades are day trades, or you guys hold them?
No,
See,
day
Oh hell
trade,
no,
zero
they
zero
trade.
DTEs, in and out, just like futures.
Oh, so does
Now
Robinhood do that, or no?
I don't know. I use
man,
drop
we don't
I
short.
fuck with
would
the
not
hood,
recommend
man.
Robinhood. No,
We don't
don't do
fuck with the
Robinhood
hood, man.
because
Okay.
Robinhood gonna cut your damn trade off at 3:30,
Yep.
and you around
Okay.
looking sick.
So what
They
do you guys do?
settled too early. They settled the
What do you
accounts
guys
too
do?
early.
You trade
I
or
got E-Trade, and
okay.
they use what's Morgan Stanley and what's the other one?
Charles
Schwab,
Schwab.
Charles Schwab.
Yep.
Okay. So can you because I haven't done options for so long, like, and I never really understood it. So can you explain like 'cause, like this week I had
Go to
my
the
win rate was
chart.
pretty good. I had a good win rate. I didn't lose any of my futures trades, even 1 or 3 on all 3 times. But on options, like I wouldn't even know how to like navigate it, how to enter using options contracts. Would I go the same strike price or strike price later on? Um,
Go to the
You
should I
chart.
go
choose
through
it.
that? I
Yeah.
don't understand. Like if
Boy,
I
go
would have to about
show
the
them
risk,
on the
like
chart, man. Like when you say you don't know how to operate, you mean like getting in and out the trade, or you talking about the
that,
platform?
that, yeah, that actually I can learn on YouTube the platform. But I have no idea like what strike price is about in the
Okay,
money or
yeah, that's
way
what
out the
that's
money.
what.
But those things
Okay,
I have no clue.
he's finna show you now.
Okay, Friday. This was the bottom.
Yeah, so I was in that buy up on Friday.
Okay,
You
go
saw
to the
the
lower
screen.
time frame. Like, do it off time frame we were looking at. Oh, man.
I okay, so if you say you get in down here at 12:45, and you say, okay, this is my target right here.
On futures.
Right.
Correct.
Okay, yeah.
That's right here. That's 5667. We got an indicator right here. It shows you.
That's the same correlated strike to your target on future.
Hey, screenshot indicator one time. Let's screenshot it.
It's called uh, Spot SPX by
Yes.
PT Gambler.
Okay. All right. So would buy that strike price. Is that what you mean?
Right. The corresponding strike price that you would purchase would be the same one where your target is on future.
Oh, okay.
And when they get to it, when they get to your target on futures, that's when you sell it.
Okay. Got it.
Pocket the rest.
From here to here was 10x. From here to here was 20x.
So that means so if let's say I had $300 in my brokerage account, but I wouldn't. It's like if got that strike price, I wouldn't be able to afford it because it might be too much.
Oh, you get $300 or however much it is.
Yep.
You got
Okay.
$300. If it's, let's say it's $1.50, you can't give it two.
But also you turn that 300 to 3,000.
Right.
Okay. And if it goes, yeah, if it let's say it goes down, it takes out that low instead of going higher. You just get out of the trade because if it goes down, the trade is nullified.
Right.
So
And you
you
still
just
got some money left because
yeah.
you
Okay.
know what I'm saying? Because it hasn't decayed to death already. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
It's like that's why we say the options is a little more
No,
forgiving
no.
than the futures.
I didn't want you to say that, man. I didn't
Well,
want you to say that, man.
well, forgiving. It is more
Yeah,
forgiving.
it's a lot forgiving. It's a lot forgiving.
A lot more forgiving than
Yep.
futures.
Ain't no forgiveness in futures.
Nope.
There's none.
It's all or nothing on
Okay.
futures.
I gotta play it because I gotta figure out yeah, I gotta play it. I have no idea about the platform. And it's a DTE, zero DTE.
Yep.
Same day expiration.
That mean
What does that
it
mean?
expired today.
Same day
Oh,
expiration.
okay. Zero DTE.
Hey, if you come to Zoom this week, we got no problem going over it during the market open. We show you.
Okay. On Friday? Because I know you guys want to Zoom. I don't know. I don't know when you guys
Uh,
want to Zoom.
it depends, man. I might feel generous this week, man. I had some encouraging words on Friday for a lot of people, so it depends, man. Just have the Telegram on.
Bolo, be on the lookout.
Right. Might get a link.
Oh, cool. Then that works. And
Yeah.
then you said E3 is good. What do you use, boy? You use E3 too, or you
No, Charles Schwab.
oh Schwab? Okay. No, I'll get out of Robinhood. I'm still in my Beyond Meat options.
Yeah, exactly.
Sorry, what?
Right.
What is,
Right. This nigga in that
oh,
trash.
you got a watch sale.
Oh shit! Look. Oh shit!
Yeah,
It did flip. It did flip.
for
Oh,
sure.
market structure
Oh,
shift.
okay.
Oh shit!
Oh man, I stand corrected.
It's not the hell up on Friday. I didn't know why, but it started out the last 10 minutes. I was like, okay.
Hey
Went
man,
back green.
that's what's up, man. Hey, run that
Well,
field. Hold up, go back to that. Run that field.
nigga, look, this is death, man.
Man,
This thing
yeah,
going.
run the field more down. I want to see it. I
This
thought
thing
my
going.
eyes saw the angle, man. I'm just asking you to run the field.
That's death. Oh, what
No,
this?
go back whatever time frame you was on before. Cause I saw the angle. Yeah, nah. That's past. That's past. Nah,
But earnings is
he
coming
was
up this
looking at
week.
earlier. Yeah. Go there. Okay. Now squeeze the chart. No, the other way. I want to go all the way back to the beginning. No, squeeze. Just keep squeezing. Keep squeezing. Okay, that angle. That's what I'm looking at. That whole angle right there, from the bottom to the top. Where we at on that? From down here to up there. What's this?
He about to get options. He's about to get option contract on it.
Yeah, man. I wish I might.
White meat.
All right.
Somebody bought it down here for 50 cents.
Yep. I seen a
And it was
couple cats say they bought it on Twitter about. They called it at 50 cent.
Man. See, man. Hey, and I'll be 1,000% honest with y'all. I don't want to be lucky, man. And for me, this is a stock right here that you playing with death.
Well, from their perspective, it wasn't luck to them because they were saying that how many shorts? It wasn't no more shorts. Like they had no shorts to sell to come off of, so it had to squeeze. That's what they were saying. I don't play that game, but that's their game.
Hey, yo, E, looking at this. Where is this stock going?
Hey man,
There's failure swing. He's gonna go up, take it to failure swing. That's $7.
wherever it go, that's where it's at.
I pass.
I said that's just not a game I play. I don't play that game, but I'm not knocking somebody else that does because they might know how the rules go.
Here go another one. This PayPal. This motherfucker been in the blender for 3 fucking years, man. I said, nah.
She on the path. Because they said that OpenAI that's how you're gonna be able to pay. That's gonna be the first pay vehicle.
Yeah, I saw that.
Peter Thiel, that's Peter Thiel, right? Who did PayPal?
Trash.
You come in here and look at that chart 2 years from now, it's uphill.
So what do you guys expect? Because I know you say 10x and so forth, but on average, what do you expect? Like if you get an options trade, to how much it should go up by? Or do you get out at 50%, or you want to get it when you hit the target?
50%? Nigga, I don't get in shit for 50%. I'm
Target.
hustling backwards.
Entry and exit. Target.
Entry and exit.
Whatever percent that give, that's what it give.
Okay, so whatever it gives, it gives. Okay.
Yeah.
So you don't necessarily care about the percentage, you care about the exit.
Yep.
If it gives you
Exit is
what it is.
Yep.
Okay.
Because that's where the liquidity at.
Yeah. Okay, that makes sense.
But I will say this: it's gonna give you more than 50%.
If you're in the right direction, yeah.
It's gonna give you more than 100%.
No, it might just be 100%. You don't know that. It depends on the landscape. It's just
Right.
whatever your entry to your target.
Yeah.
And whatever percent that garners you, that's what you get.
Yeah, you're right. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, and
Like for example, I remember on Thursday I was in YM and I missed the sell down like when it sold on like crazy on futures.
Mm-hmm.
But I'm guessing I could have just got in on an options and then wrote it down instead of just not since I missed the trade on futures. I just didn't take the trade anymore.
Well, that's also you can look at that or as if you're running behind it, even though you wouldn't options. Would you get in the futures like that way?
No. So if I miss my entry in futures, then I'm just gonna leave it alone because actually futures not forgiving. The options
then take that same mentality and leave it alone on options.
yeah.
Oh, okay, so you leave it on options. Okay, so you don't.
Like, it's the same concept. Like you're not changing what you're doing. You just that ain't tell you. Ain't tell them.
Okay, all right, that makes sense. All right, so then you don't. If you miss a trade in futures, you miss a trade in options. Just let it go, even though you know where it's going.
Correct. Because then you just jumping in. And the problem you got is on options sometimes it ain't forgiving. See, options like speed. And if it retrace, it started to decay.
Snatch.
Yeah.
It goes snatch way more than you think out of it.
Yep.
And retrace and then stall.
Stall them out, Debo. Stall them out.
Oh man. You come back, that thing got 0.0105.
Yeah. Hey man, great question, bro. Great question, bro.
Good question, man.
Anybody got any questions before we get out of here? That's what's up. On that note. Oh shit. Yeah, she on here. Let me forgot she asked me about this. Uh which one do I have? Let me make sure.
What's easier to use, Charles Schwab's or E-Trade? Or
Either or. And it don't matter.
Either or.
Yeah.
I remember I used Power Trade from E-Trade. I didn't know what I was talking about.
Yeah,
Oh yeah,
I use Power Trade.
I use Power Trade, okay.
Okay. And it's like futures. You just press the button and then you
let me put it like this. If you're doing it from the laptop, then I was just doing the one boy them do, which is what, Schwab?
Charles Schwab, yeah.
Yeah. I was just going that way.
Okay,
I think it's easier on the phone or whatever for E-Trade.
Okay. So yeah, so
Power Trade is like real user friendly as far as like getting it done. But
Charles Schwab is similar to like a NinjaTrader, a Project X. When you it's a little more complicated.
A little more complicated.
Okay. All right, that's that thing I gotta figure out.
Gotcha. Hey, yo, Veronica, it's called ICT New York Open. It plots out midnight. I have two of them. I got one for midnight and I got one for London, 2:00.
Yeah, make sure you put it on GMT 5.
Yeah.
Because time changed.
Yep. Yeah, she asked me about it.
Throw my shit off.
Yeah. ICT New York Open. Yeah, right here.
Thank you.
Y'all make more money in futures or options in a short. Let's say 3 months time.
We're not gonna answer that question. We ain't gonna answer that question. Ain't gonna answer that question. Ain't gonna answer that question.
Both of them.
I bet.
It's all about your execution, bro.
But I will tell you this. You can make more money on options, but you need to learn the futures with the discipline to get to the options. Because if you ain't got discipline in futures, you're gonna take that raggedy stuff to options, and it ain't gonna help you. But if your trading plan is rock solid, you can make substantially more money in options than futures. But the problem is where you get that mind shift. Because once you start going up that ladder in options, now you're talking about putting in 50,000 into a position, 100,000 into a position, $1 million into a position. It's the mindset.
That makes sense because you're making 75, 100%, 20% of each trade. So you put in 200, you make 400, and it multiplies by 800, and it goes like 1,000. Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah,
futures is like 400 per trade if you're sticking to like a specific risk parameter on futures.
You can't scale in the way in options that you can in futures because you capped in futures. You capped in futures because let's say you got a 150K account. The most you're gonna get is 15 contracts. So say you can't get 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. But in options, you can get substantially more. You can do a $500,000 position, $1 million position, 2 million, 10 million, 50 million, 100 million position.
Yeah, because it's options.
Correct. And it's liquid.
Yeah. Interesting. Okay. Not to blow my bank account up.
Hey, it is what it is.
Savings account is about to go to hell.
Bring it up. User account, bring it up. Don't put no extra. Let that
you're right.
Get for futures. Let it work on itself.
Yep.
Let it cook in its own juice.
Hey man, great session today, man. Great session. And on that note.